We are pleased to show you the 2020 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.